how to request permission to promote a product and get approved. Hello, welcome back to the training. Okay, after you've identified a product to promote to your audience, the next step is to request for permission to promote that product. You can't just see a product and start promoting it. It doesn't work that way. In fact, if you go ahead to promote a product like that, you won't get any commission from it because you didn't do the promotion with your unique affiliate ID or affiliate link. So in order to get your affiliate link for the product you choose, you will have to request permission to promote that product. In this video, I'll show you how you can request permission to promote a product on 𝐗𝐵 and Warrior Plus. We'll go over to �Munchy now, scroll through, and select a product to promote. Then, on the next page, click on the link for the 𝐗𝐵 page. The 𝐗𝐵 page basically is for affiliates. It's to give you adequate information of the product. If you're promoting this product, what you need to do is scroll down to where you have the affiliate request button and click on it. You should be logged into your 𝐗𝐵 account on another tab of your browser before clicking on the button to request link. You will be taken to a page inside 𝐗𝐵 where you can request for your affiliate link. Now, I want you to pay careful attention to what I'll be saying at this point. As a newbie affiliate, it's wrong to just go straight and request for affiliate approval, because most affiliates won't approve your request since you haven't gotten sales to your name. So this is what you're going to do instead. You can write something like this. Hello, add the vendor's name here. I came across your offer launching on the 10th, and it's great. I would like to promote it to my blog audience and social fans. I've been promoting products on Warrior Plus, and I want to jump into 𝐗𝐵 now. Cheers! I promise you, if you use this strategy and request for affiliate link, the chances of it getting approved by the vendor will be high. I hope you understand it. Okay, I'll show you another way you can request for permission to promote a product. Let's go back to �Munchy and click on the product you intend promoting. Then, click the link to go to the 𝐗𝐵 page. Scroll down to the bottom of the page where you have the contact info of the product vendors. It's usually a Facebook profile link or Skype ID. So you copy it and search for them either on Facebook or Skype, depending on the one that particular vendor uses. Then, send them a message using the same strategy I taught you earlier. So this is how to request permission to promote a product as a newbie and not get turned down. Thanks! This is where this video ends. I'll see you in the next video.